Now let's make this super simple patriotic hair bow. We'll get started by using our Mini Bowdabra, and I've got a piece of Bowdabra Bow Wire cut, and I'm just gonna place that into my Bowdabra. It's folded in half. And now I'm gonna make take this red ribbon, and I'm just going to twist it around and lay it down into my Mini Bowdabra. Do a little pinch in the middle for my mountain up, and there you go. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my red checkered ribbon, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Then I have these wonderful, I'm gonna start with white, wonderful little corkscrew ribbons. Then I'm gonna take my Mini Bowdabra wand, and I'm going to pull my Bowdabra bow wire through the slip knot and pull it really tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. I'm gonna separate the ends of my Bowdabra bow wire, pull out my bow, bring the wire around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot. I've taken a piece of just sparkly ribbon, and I'm folding it into thirds because I don't want the cut end to show. I want it to be a clean finish. And I'm just going to grab my trusty glue gun and put a little dot here. Put this right here on the back, and I'm gonna bring it around and take another dab of glue and put that right here. And I'll just shape my bow. And now I'm just going to put it on either a headband, or I could also put it on like this black headband, which you could also use to put on your puppy. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.